how to make Google Slides a 4-portrait. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Google Slides into a 4-portrait layout. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, either open an existing presentation or click on blank to start a new one. Now, at the top menu bar, click on File. From the drop-down, scroll down and select Page Setup. A small window will pop up showing different slide size options. Click on the drop-down and choose Custom. Here, you'll need to enter the dimensions for an A4 page. Type in 21 centimeters for the width and 29.7 centimeters for the height. This sets it in portrait orientation. Once you've entered the values, click Apply. And just like that, your Google Slides presentation is now in a 4-portrait format, ready for printing or sharing. That's it. By going and entering the A4 dimensions, you can easily make your Google Slides layout portrait style. That's all for the video.